we're making a rectangle sandwich and it's very yummy and you want to eat and eat, but
What things we required?
we put the first, we take out the bread, then we paste the bread ketchup, then ugly one mayonnaise and keema, and we do
Spread it.
spread it and we close it.
Okay, now start. I help you?
No,
You can do?
I have.
You can do by yourself?
Yes.
Okay, I help you. Okay, put some mayonnaise, not so much, okay? Should I help?
Yes. I like this. No help. No help.
Okay, spread it. It's enough.
No more. Take it. Now ketchup.
Another bread. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Oh, no more.
Okay. Give me the cap. Thank you.
Welcome. It will make sense. Now,
No spread.
let's
Ketchup.
spread and spread.
This corner. Cover all the bread.
Cover.
Good girl. Very good. Now, what we will do now? Give me.
Then we put this. Relax and relax. Relax. Mama, Pima, after Bulundi, you like this? Nice sandwich. Put next one.
No.
Ananas.
Only on this one.
Nice. I put this and last. Now,
Yes. What will we do? Okay. Okay, press it. Very good. Wow, you can do. Very nice, Minaj.
you viewers, you like this video, see again. Guys, these are 4 sandwich. You eat it and you eat all and these are very yummy. You subscribe my channel. You
Love
see
it.
You love it. You see next time.
See you next time. Well done. You're happy. We done it. We done it.